With all of the aluminum sash machining complete, we can move on to the actual assembly. First, stainless steel PEM nuts for the strut bracket are inserted with a hydraulic press. Then riv nuts for the hinge screws are inserted and pressed with a special tool. At this point, you can see why the extra machining was required. The sash corner keys that join the sash extrusions require a thorough cleaning before the application of a special adhesive sealant into the extrusion cavity and face. Once prepared, the corner key is inserted until the cleat snaps into place. When both extrusions are connected, the connection screw is tightened and the surfaces are cleaned of excess sealant. With the sash assembly complete, the next video will show the wood milling.